thank you for coming today. So I'm gonna do a quick little video that you can use these cups for a baby shower, a favor that you can use. I picked blue for a boy, but they have other colors in the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna show you one. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. You take a cup, you get 10 in here. You're gonna also need some kind of candy. They have these in different colors as well. You need transfer tape. I got this roll from off of Amazon. It's a boy. I made this out on my Cameo machine. However, you use a Cricut. If you don't have a cutting machine, I'm going to show you a little favor that you could do as well. You can use with the vinyl or without. So I'm going to show you both ways. Some string and some loop bags. And everything came from the Dollar Tree except for the transfer tape and the vinyl. The vinyl didn't come from there either. You need scissors, and you also need a measuring tape. So I'm gonna take a cup out of here, and with the vinyl, you would measure the length of the cup and the width of the cup to see where you would like your vinyl to be, your words, how big you want your words. So I already did that, and I cut the transfer tape out already. And I forgot my squeegee to run over this for the words. If I could get the transfer tape apart, there you go. So transfer tape, and you lay it on. You would take a squeegee and run over this, but I left it upstairs. So you just run over it like that. And it's going to pill up. So if it don't pill up all at the same time, just put it back down and run over it again. Until you get everything. Or you can turn it over like this. And press down on it. Like so. So I have this down. And it's a boy. So on a cup, you just line it up to where you want it to sit. And just lay it down. And you just peel it off like this. This transfer tape is still good, so you can just put it back on its back end and keep it for the next one that you need to do. So you can reuse this until it's not sticky anymore. So it's like this. I also got some shredded paper, and I'm going to show you two ways. You can do it with the shredded paper or without. And they got different colors that you could choose. So we're just going to take a little bit and stuff it in the cup like that. And open up the Hershey Kisses. Sprinkle some in the cup. Open the loop bags. Like this. You just sit it inside. I'm going to twist it. I'm going to sit that down just like that until I get my string. And the string came from the Dollar Tree as well. So we're going to use yellow. I mean, blue. So we're just going to, I'm going to cut just two, and down like this. So I'm going to tie 2 strings around it. Tie it twice. Take your scissors and you just do this to curl your ends. Like so. So you do your bows. You can cut this if this is too much at the top. You can cut it down like that. And here's a little gift that the people go home with, a little party favor. It's a boy. So if you don't have a vinyl cutter, I'm just gonna open this back up, and we're gonna do it again. I'll just crack that up. So let's say if you don't want to spend, like, buy the shredded paper. So we're just going to take another cup. You get 10 cups in here. So you can just do this. So you don't have to pay for the shredded paper. Take another one of these. You get 20. You get 20 loot bags in here. And you can just put it in there. If you're doing a baby shower on a budget. And you can just twist it. Like so, like that. And we're going to do the same string. Again. And we're just going to cut it like that. And we can tie it. Around the plastic bag, the loot bag. And do it twice. You can put more candy in there. You don't have to use the Hershey Kisses. You could use the mints. You see people with the colorful mints. Or if you want blue, you could get some kind of blue candy to put in there. So whatever kind of candy you would like in there. I just did Hershey Kisses just for the sake of the video. And here you go. It's like a little gift that you could go home with. You can cut this again. If this is too much at the top for you, just cut it off. And here you go, cute little favor that the people could go home with. So this is with the vinyl, this is with the shred inside. I just took it out the bag. This is without it. Thank you for watching. I have more videos coming for baby showers coming soon. Thank you for watching.